The B-segment crossover class has exploded in popularity over the last decade, with buyers drawn to the blend of compact dimensions and SUV styling cues. Renault helped kickstart this trend when it launched the original Captur, and the French brand is sticking to its successful formula for the all-new 2024 model. At first glance, the new Captur looks very familiar with its two-tone color schemes and subtle crossover design cues like black plastic cladding and a raised ride height. But Renault says every body panel is new, with the front end receiving the most significant updates with slimmer LED headlights and a bolder grille inspired by the compact Arkana SUV. The interior gets a similarly comprehensive overhaul with a fully digital instrument cluster, a freestanding touchscreen display, and new upholstery options including an eye-catching Esprit Alpine package with blue accents. Despite its compact footprint, Renault promises generous cabin space for passengers and cargo. Under the hood, Renault is keeping things simple, with a handful of gasoline and diesel four-cylinder engine options, topped by a 1.6-liter hybrid setup, producing 145 horsepower. That E-Tech hybrid is expected to be a popular choice, with over 40% of existing Captur buyers in France already opting for the electrified powertrain. To deliver sharper handling, engineers tweaked the suspension tuning and recalibrated the power steering system. An extended grip system provides extra traction over slippery surfaces for light off-road use. Advanced driver aids get a big boost as well, with Renault offering Level 2 semi-autonomous capability thanks to new active driver assist technology that combines adaptive cruise control and lane centering. With spaces like the Honda HR-V and Hyundai Kona evolving into larger, more family-friendly vehicles, the 2024 Captur smartly sticks to its compact roots as a stylish, tech-laden urban runabout. It may not reinvent the formula, but Renault seems to have all the right updates to keep its B-segment trendsetter feeling fresh.